Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about one assignment using the container. As we can see that we have a container, and this particular container you can see that it is having one item, and inside it, in the position of the second item, we have another container, and then we have a another item. So this type of container is actually called the nested container. So now this project is in the debugging mode, so that's why you can see the breakpoint. I wanted to show you how it looks like, so that's why you can see it in this position. Okay, so if you hover the test container, as you can see, it is showing it is having three different objects, 0, 1 and 2, and in this position you can see item 1, and in the second position you can see there is a one object, and here you can see if you'll hover over here, you can see there is a two item, not okay and okay. So this type of structure of the container is called the nested container structure. So here I want to give one assignment that you have to find out the position of the OK in a nested container structure and delete the item at that position within the main container. So you can see that you have from the main container you have to find out the OK itself, and then you have to remove this particular item, okay, all this container part. So the container structure can be more complex, but I want to delete the whole thing in the second position. But remember that first you have to find out that OK is present on that particular position or not, or you have to specify the location. You have to find out in which location the OK is present, and then you have to delete that. For example, instead of 3 items, if it will contain more than 3 items, and in the fourth item also will be a container like this one, and also you have to find out that as well, and you have to delete. Okay, so this is how the assignment you have to do. Okay, and to solve this problem you can see that I have a method modify container, and you can pass this particular test container, and on a specific condition you have to delete. If the test step is 23, on that case you can delete. Okay, so that's why I have initialized 23 over here, and if the test step is 23, and if you are finding out the OK, then you have to delete this particular full container that is actually nested inside the main container. So in simple form I can say delete the item at that position within the main container, here the return container, when a specific condition is met. Okay, and you have to write the full code over here. So that's it for this video. You just try to solve. If you are unable to solve this problem, so see the next video while I'll give you the code for this. Okay, so thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.